This is one of the hardest things that you as a human being will ever endeavor to do, because it's so easy to psych yourself out. I'm convinced that 80% of people that fail, they talk themselves into failure, either subconsciously or blatantly. Think about what you've done to yourself as a trader. If you've traded with live funds and you've blown that account or accounts, you can go right back to the moment where you knew at that moment, right before you did it, when you still had money in the account, the day that you did like 25, 30 trades, over leveraging, trying to fix something, trying to just do whatever, at some point, it became like you just wanted to end it all because it was too painful. Just click until I don't have any more money left. I don't have the discipline to do it right. I've already convinced myself that I'm never going to do this, so let's just blow the account and be done with it. So subconsciously, what? Your mind tells your hand there's something to do. Push the button. But the chart's saying nothing about doing anything at all. You're never going to see a book written like that. But that's the stuff that goes on for real.
Good morning, chat. Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday, chat. Say good morning in the chat. Like the stream up, boys and girls. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome in. Hope you guys can hear me all right. Good morning, CJS. Yes, the stream died on me yesterday, CJ. The stream died. My internet went down for like 5 minutes. Good morning, Tony. Good morning, Derzit. Good morning, Crypto Surfer. Good to see you, man. Lone Wolf, good morning. DeLucas, good morning. PJW, D. Conrad. Good morning, Elsie, Level Header, Hindsight King, J. Can, good morning. Doman, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Hope everybody's doing well. Welcome in. Let me turn the background music down here. First things first, guys. Economic calendar today. We don't have any news today. Nope. So no news today. Japan. What is this? Tokyo not easing fiscal discipline. Tokyo headline 11 hours ago. Otherwise, boys, we are free and clear from any news today. So no news on the docket. We got market open up here in 20 seconds. Better not miss our opening bell today. Let me see here. Let me take a peek at the daily. Yeah, daily. Nothing here. We're below the previous day low on the NASDAQ chart here. 4 hour. There's our opening bell. 4 hour, we're trading down. Where's our, hang on here. Where is this low from? Is this from, oh, it's from London. Our London session low, we are close to taking out. We were getting rejection off of this 4 hour BPR yesterday. We did end up trading up to a new high. Looks like price is wanting to give this continuation actually towards all of these sell side lows. We will see if price maybe wants to dig back up in here. We don't have, let me see the 4 hour again. We do have a 4 hour gap that was left. So if price did want to maybe retrace back into, you know, like a premium of this range, OT of this range back into this 4 hour, that could be possible for internal bullishness. But I think overall price is working its way towards all of these stacked lows. Down here, 330s, 274, 250, et cetera, et cetera. So I think we're working our way there. Maybe we see price want to drive up into this 4 hour before going there. But other than that, though, feeling a little bit more bearish on a higher time frame. Potential bullishness on the lower time frames here internally. See the hourly. Yeah, there's nothing really here on the hourly. Just this 4 hour. And then obviously the hourly. There's a hourly gap here that is currently holding price down. perhaps this sponsors the London low sweep here. So that is what I'm seeing for right now. We're a little bit out of sync. We have NQ kind of working down while ES is grinding up still. Same with YM. So yeah, we'll just we'll react to what we get here. But this is kind of what I'm thinking. If we get this London low sweep, or I guess this would be pre-London, but if we get this low sweep here at 557, I like the idea of trying to hunt longs, or be open to longs, I should say. We don't need to force it, but be open to the long back to this 4 hour. If this does want to rally first and then leave equal lows, I think it just sets up a stronger short later. So that is the thought process here, boys and girls. For me, let's go 15.5. In this 15-minute, small 15-minute gap here, if we do get the inversion on that, maybe it might be worthwhile trying to catch these longs up into here. Same with the 5-minute. So we'll see, man. We'll see, but that's kind of the thought process here. We'll see what wants to get rated first. Maybe we go to the 4 hour first, which potentially that Asia high is nested basically right inside that 4 hour. Actually, I don't know if we'd get there. Wouldn't need to, actually. Or if we get this low sweep and then maybe look for the reversal back for these highs towards that 4 hour. But that's kind of the thought process, chat. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, boys and girls. Pop on the old eye protectors. What's up, everybody? What's up, Big Head Reef? Good morning, Bella, Choya, Kun Kuzi, Oscar. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. What's the poll in the chat say today? 48% of the chat, 49% of the chat is bearish. 33% bullish. All right. All right, all right, all right. Check the 1 minute here. Getting rejection off that 5 and 15. Looking like we're going to run this low. There we go. All right, so moment of truth here, right? Do we just keep expanding through this low without any retracement? Or do we see price get a bounce here? Back towards this range a little bit. Let's see. Let us see, let us see. But yeah, I mean, obviously, it's not really a matter of if these lows get ran out. It's kind of just a timing thing. Not a matter of if, just a matter of when. And Daddy would love to catch him. Let's see if it wants to happen here or not. What's up, Scott Scalper? Rest in peace to your short, Oscar. What do you mean? The short looks like it's coming in hot. What happened, man? Don't tell me you got snagged up in this pullback. Don't tell me that, Oscar. Don't tell me that. Yeah, ES looks like it's starting to roll over here on the hourly. 15 is, yeah, ES is kind of starting to roll over here. Same with YM, that's good. What's up, Elias? We already have SMT at the London highs with ES. Yes, we do have SMT. This is true. This is true. My stream yesterday, dude, my internet like dropped for like a good 5-10 minutes. I was in the middle of that trade, so I literally had to go and fire up my laptop and use my hotspot to like manage my trade. Unfortunately, got break even. If you guys were on the stream yesterday, towards the end, we attempted another short. The short did play out probably a good, I don't even know, 75% to the target. And then ultimately ended up turning around, stopping me out break even. And then we ended up selling off and reaching our sell side targets in Asia session, go figure. So, I mean, all of our sell side targets were this 15-minute unfilled gap yesterday, this low from opening range, obviously yesterday's Asia low. And then, of course, they leave all those lows for Asia session, boys, and they run them out during Asia, so that's nice. Asia session might have to become the new New York session. I'm not gonna lie. Asia session might have to become the new New York session at this point. We seem to get more deliveries there anyway. Short target hit with no entry given. Well, yeah, I guess we'll see now, right? I'm open to that long back to this 4 hour now. That's really the only PD rate in this leg down. Like, there's nothing on the hourly. I think this hourly gap, this one that's in a discount of this leg, already did what it needed to do here, which was sponsor a new low. So I would be open to the long. I mean, I'd be open to the short too, obviously, if this were to just keep selling off, but it looks like we're getting a bounce here, so I'm definitely open to the long. Definitely open to the long. Back to that 4 hour potentially. No news either, boys and girls, so we're good on the news. There we go. So now we have SMT at these lows as well. Back into first presented here. You're front running the long. Oh, looks like it's flipping again here. Traded up into that first presented, and now we're continuing lower, right? And just look at all these lows. I mean, they're just stacked. Absolutely stacked. Stacked like your mom. Absolutely stacked. Did we get back to 50% here even? No. Yeah, this might just dump off this 1 minute OB. Let's see. I'd be a little bit more open to this had this got back to at least 50%. It might have just created a low here, though. Or, I mean, an internal high to get ran out, at least. Ran the 5. It's 5 minute closes here in 10 seconds. Might be worthwhile waiting for this full 15 close, to be honest with you. You've been trading Asia lately? I mean, Asia's been giving the delivery to the actual targets that we want to see in New York session. That's kind of frustrating. Regular trading hours, yeah, it looks like this. Yes, sir. We got gap down for today on the regular trading hours chart, and we basically have overlapping opening range gaps. So that's why I said I'd be open to that long back to this 4 hour as well, is to fill that regular trading hours gap in before that continuation lower. I don't want to get too gun-ho on chasing the shorts and then get, you know what I mean, caught in a manipulation as price wants to go back the other way. That looks good right there. That looks good right there. See, honestly, might just play like this 5 minute. If we get like a 5 minute close, say like above 930 opening price, just take the long off that. Try to shoot for these highs, 4 hour. Maybe. We'll see. 5 and 15 close here in 3 minutes. Long time no see. What do you mean, Hudson? What? Long time no see. Good morning, man. Hudson, I feel like you've been in the chat. Or was that sarcastic? Hey, Tim's long on this bish. All right, man. Good luck. I'm going to wait for a little bit more confirmation here, but yeah, I can see the long playing out here. Nice 1 minute tag here of this OB. This might be the play, boys. Might be the play. I kind of just want to get through this first 15 close, though. Is that just me? Maybe it's just me. What's my bias today? What? What's my bias today, Tyler? Fuck NQ? It's always fuck NQ. That's the bias every day, DeLucas. You bullish? Yeah, I'm open to the longs here. I'm open to the longs. I may end up taking this prior to the 15-minute close, to be honest. If we closed a little stronger on that 1 minute, I was probably going to enter off that if we closed like back up here. Staying patient. Guys, I'm probably going to go for the long here on the close of this candle. Maybe get a little retracement here. Be nice. All right, I'm going to go long there. I'm going to go long right here. Stop loss for me. Let's see what big points we got here to work with. Yeah, we got. I'm probably going to include most of this just to be safe. Don't know if I'm going to need my full stop. Hopefully it won't. I don't like that. I mean, really nice rejection on that previous 15-minute candle. The reason I want to include the whole thing is just, I don't know how much we want to dig into this wick. I'm going to see if we can put in the swing low here, though. Get the move up. Jeez, bro. You took some days off, Hudson? Not a bad idea. I'm taking the rest of the year off if this trade loses. Just kidding, just kidding. Good morning, Bella. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Told you, bro, we're good. We're not good yet. We're not good yet. But yeah, entire trade is based off this 15-minute close, boys and girls. So I'm wanting to see this put in the swing low here on the 15. So I wanted to include this whole wick in the stop loss. This rejection block on the 15. Obviously, if this 15-minute candle just accelerates through it, that's kind of unfortunate. And then potentially we see those lows then. Ooh, wick rejection here on this gap. I don't like that. No. I'm not a fan of that. Not good. Update, hey Tim. Update. He goes, told you, bro, we good. Hey Tim, no, you jinxed it, dude. Hey Tim, what the heck, man? Why did you jinx it? No. Now we're gonna get stopped out. How's everything? Good, Bella. How are you? I'm doing well. I cannot complain. It could be worse. Update, you're shitting your pants. I can smell it. It stinks. Yeah, this is cooked. I think it's cooked. I'm going to Asia session full time. I can't trade New York session anymore. I can't deal with this. Nothing works ever. They patched everything. They patched the entire session. Everything sucks. Just stop me out, man. Let's just get this over with. Just stop me out. I didn't want to see any profit on this trade anyway. Nothing but drawdown. Too soon, Junior? I guess so. Or I'm just totally, or it's just going to go to those lows without retracing it all. My stop was your partial area. You're blocked. Stopped out, by the way. You're blocked. 5 minutes in the VIP room for you. Unbelievable. Yeah, tricky 15 there. Son of a gun. What do you do? Shucks. The 15-minute close was bait, dirty. That's what I'm saying, Z trades. That is what I'm saying. All right, well, now what? Hourly close in 8 minutes, man. Hourly in 4 hour. I mean, obviously, the stronger this closes bearish, I have to lean towards these lows. Might get ran here first. Yeah, that's so dirty, dude. Even like the 5 minute came up, closed back above that first presented gap right at that 9:30 opening price. I thought that looked like a good potential AMD here to go back up here. Shucks. Holy cow. That should not kill your spirit, though. We are hunters. Oh, nothing kills the spirit. That's okay. We'll probably endure at least like, what do you guys think? Over the course of your lifetime, how many total stop losses do you think you'll take? Like over the next like, how long do you guys think you'll be trading for? Like 20 more years, 30 more years, maybe 40? Like how many total stop losses? Like a Spotify Wrapped for stop losses. That'd be sick. I would love to know those stats. 100% win rate? Oh, yeah. Dang it. I forget that some of you guys have that. I am jealous. I am jealous of those that have the 100% win rate. That'd be sick. You won't know if I ever get a 100% win rate, but there will be signs. And the signs will be you'll never see me again. Or I'll drop the course. I'm chasing it like the sell at 328. Yeah, I'm kind of waiting for this hourly close at this rate. But yeah. I'd also kind of hate to miss these lows being ran. Praise Odin? I don't even know what that is, but you're going in timeout. Haram. Haram. How do you sit through slow burner trades that are printing small grinding candles? You just sit there. Take out your phone and doom scroll. Don't look at the chart. I think that's like the unspoken secret of trading. You pull out your phone, you start doom scrolling, you look at it, and then you just glance at the chart every like 5 seconds. Longing was not a good idea if I look at the 1 hour chart. I mean, yeah, it's easier for you to say that in hindsight, isn't it? Easier for you to, the rest of this candle literally printed after my trade. What are you talking about? Do you want a cookie? You can see what happened after the fact and elaborate on it. That's so impressive. Yeah, you're just going to go in timeout. You know what else? You know what else you're going to get? Nenad. I saw the perfect meme. I saw the perfect meme on Twitter for you. Allow me to send it in the Discord. This is me with like half of you right now.
Bye.
Hang on, you might have missed it. Let's watch. Let's run that back.
Bye.
Let's go full screen, actually.
Bye.
Yeah. I mean, that's perfect. It's literally perfect. Left trades. If you were actually here at the start of the stream, I literally said I'm more bearish on the higher time frames for those lows, but I was willing to entertain the long off this low sweep into this unfilled 4 hour. That's what I said. That's verbatim what I said. But I said, yes, overall, I want to see these lows. I'm more bearish. I mean, if you guys have a problem with everything I do, no matter what, I'll just end the stream and trade by myself and update you guys later. Ain't nobody got time for this shit. God. Nothing makes a guy feel better than after a stop loss is taken, he looks over at the chat. He sees something. He sees someone by the name of Singdeep Pringdeep Jahit trying to give me advice. Like, holy shit. Please, for the love of God. Please, for the love of God, just shut the fuck up. God, I can't take it. I can't fucking take it, chat. Oh. Oh, fuck. All right, man. We got the new 10 hour or the 10 a.m. candle here. Hourly and 4 hour candle just closed. And she closed pretty weak, if I do say so myself. 5 minute gap here. You're longing again, says Hey. Oh, geez. I like the confidence though. Hey, Tim. He says he doesn't care if he gets touched. Not right now, I'm not in the loving mood. Why don't I look at ES? Listen, if I just get stupid questions today, I'm just going to put everybody in timeout. I mean, what are we doing? It's going to be one of those days, isn't it, chat? Paris, what's up, dude? Paris, where the hell have you been? I think Paris just took Paris took June off. The concept of two monitors, yeah, well. Chill. Times 6 Jews. Chill? Never. Thank you for the 6 jewels, though. But yeah, hunting the continuation lower here for the 10 a.m. PO3 after that previous hourly and 4-hour close. Let's see. We were tracing to this 5-minute FEG. Immediate rebalance on the 15. In the macro here. Fuck it. All right, I'm in short. War with Russia, as if Russia doesn't have at least 300 nuclear war. I did not see that. No. I did not see that. Who's trying to go to war with Russia? NATO? Really? I did not see that. Oh, Kevin. Just tap that 5-minute rejection block here. 1 minute OB. And the hourly opening price. Tagged one more time. Let's see if we get the push. See if we can get the push, man. We didn't even put in a new low yet on this hourly, so this would be really, I mean, this would just be so dirty. Probably just have to kill myself. Just kidding. They're striking oil targets deep inside Russian territory. They're oil tankers and then Russia's. Oh. Yeah, I did not see that. I did not see that, but I did see that the United States lost yesterday in embarrassing fashion. So it looks like the United States will not be winning the World Cup, boys and girls. What the fuck? Does SMT work? No. They patched it. SMT works and doesn't work at the same time because there's always SMT. That's the kicker. There's literally always SMT, so therefore it always works and doesn't work. Belgium represents Sergio. Timeout. You're about to get put in timeout. US play bad. I didn't watch it, but I did not watch it. But what, they lose 4-1? That's crazy. After Trump got our best player available to play in the game, it was all for nothing. Like, crazy. Yeah, we got to go. I'm going to go break even here at this new hourly low. Wow. Didn't tag me there. No, it did. I'm going to get stop break even after we sweep the hourly low. You don't watch soccer? Me either. Don't break even yet, says Paris. Uh-oh. I don't know. Macro's coming to an end. Hourly closed, or hourly low is swept. Kind of wanted to see just some flushing through there if we were going to get it. Maybe she'll still go, though. I don't know. We're tracing to the fat 1 hour candle. Well, that's, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe. Maybe, I don't know. We have immediate rebalance here on the 15-minute. You know, this 30-minute will leave a gap in 19 minutes. The hourly may leave a gap after this hourly closes, but yeah. Seven-day green streak trading ES only. Yeah. Well, may have played myself on the break-even stop. I don't know, man. I don't know. I haven't been able to get on. I haven't been able to get like in sync with New York session in the last couple of weeks. I feel like I'm just something's off. Trump speech, I didn't watch it. No idea, William. Yeah, it looks like NQ is going to take out this level here at 330 and a half, 328 on the micro chart. I definitely got top ticked out of my trade there at break even after the hourly low was taken. And yeah, I think yeah, she's probably down. Yeah, if you guys are in the shorts, I'm jealous. I am jealous. There's 328. Damn. That sucks. That blows. For me. Really just came down to the entry though. Like going break even at this hourly low wasn't necessarily the problem. You know, we got the push down from this 5 minute. So if your entry was a little bit higher on this 5 minute wick, you were just fine. Some days you are the bug, some days you are the windshield. I've never heard that before. That's true though. Some days you are the bug, some days you are the windshield. Oh, fair enough, man. How did you blow two fundeds? Wait, you blew two accounts yesterday because of me, but today you made 500 on your PA account. We are even now. I don't get it though. The trade that we were in yesterday when the stream died literally went like almost all the way to TP. It didn't get to my full TP, which is the 15-minute, not in the leg that we were on, but it did get there later in the day. So Royland, what the heck? But you made money on the PA account today, but I got break even on this short, unfortunately. Yeah, I guess we'll see what we want to do from here, boys. We got plenty of more lows to go for, so I could see this being a low resistant run, to be honest. Potentially. Is your timeout over, Philip? It looks like it is. Never ask me if I look at ES ever again. Any trades taken so far? Yes, I just took the executions off. Unfortunately, Crypto Genius, I literally got break even. I just tried catching the short down to the low, and I just got break even on it. I went break even after the hourly low was swept. Trying to be safe at the end of the macro. Safe rather than sorry, in case this wanted to retrace back up. And unfortunately, top ticked me out of my trade on this wick up, and then it dumped the rest of the way. And then I took I took a loss on a long. I tried going long after the first 15-minute close here, wanting to see this maybe go up for these highs in the unfilled 4-hour. So yeah, that's where we're at. That's where we're at, man. Yeah, I don't know. I really got nothing to say other than it's just like, I don't know. I've been struggling in New York session lately, the last couple of weeks. Whether it's self-inflicted sometimes or the market is just like actually difficult to trade, but I mean, it is what it is. Mama said there'd be days like this, so. I don't think we get the move on a random no news Tuesday. Prob save a big sell off for red folder day. Oh, Duluca. So you're saying that we leave these lows? Just like, I don't know, just like look at the hourly chart and you, to me, I mean, I guess anything's possible, but like, yeah, I think I think we should run them out. I mean, famous last words, right? But I think we should run them out. And I kind of think today, I don't know. Yeah, I think today running them out would make sense. Don't listen to me though. Got the volume here too, like on the previous hourly, the way that it ended up closing. Right now the volume's here on this hourly candle. It's like we got the volume. Hit this 5-minute. Damn. Is that all we're gonna get on that 5-minute? Is that it? Is it not gonna dig deeper into this? God damn. at least going leg to leg here on the dealing range. We need 50%. When I left, yeah, James, I got ticked out break even. I went break even when the hourly low was swept, wanting to see it just flush through. She top ticked me out, James. Infinite chat, but no goon. I don't even know what is infinite chat. Infinite chat, but no goon, or infinite goon, but no chat. Infinite chat. More bearish delivery, yeah. No, like I want an infinite amount of you guys. Is that what you're asking me? No, I want to do this to half the chat.
Bye.
Perfect sell limit on the 5-minute, 50% gap, and it took off. Oh, here on this 5-minute? Yeah. Super weak. Maybe we still get it though, right? Like, you know, sometimes what you'll see is like price will do these really shallow retracements, and then maybe we get like a shallow drive here. It just kind of depends, right? But sometimes we create this internal high to be swept out while mitigating something higher time frame. So could be possible. It just depends how much of a hurry this is in to get down to these lows. You know, if this really is low resistance, it might just flush. Paris, did you go long, Paris? I'm assuming. Yeah, DeLucas, I think they're all incoming, if I'm being honest. But I've been wrong before. The Discord is free, Abatsuki. The Discord is free. Dang. Holy. Again with Hormuz, they droned a tanker. What? Am I missing some headlines or what? I don't see anything. I don't see anything. Oh, man. She's going, boys. Oh, that is so depressing that I got break even there. Yeah, boys, I'm thinking 160. I'm thinking 160. 2 previous weekly lows ago. The question is, can we get an opportunity to rejoin this to catch a little bit of it, at least for me, but boy, maybe not. Still waiting for the long. I mean, guys, this 4-hour candle is literally Drake. Drake is whipping out his schlong and slapping it on the table at this point. You know what I mean? Or no? You love 28,500 before pumping higher time frame again? You love 28,500. What's down there? 28,500. Oh, you're saying, so you want this. Is that monthly low? I think it's, yeah, it's the monthly low, right? Yeah. Yeah. So, yeah, overarching, like, higher time frame perspective, yes, I definitely agree. But obviously, we're going to have our retracements in here before that, you know, hourly, 4-hour, etc. My thought process here simply is, since we didn't ever get back to 50% here, I'm just extending it to here. And so I'm still hunting like a 50% pullback of the current dealing range and then stay with the continuations. So that's my thought process. So ideally, this would come up, sweep this high out, set us up short. But I don't know. Depends how weak this is. We did put in a 5-minute OB here. We did tap this 5-minute bearish. We will have a 15-minute gap above this candle when this candle closes in 16 seconds. So 15-minute gap, sweeping out that high. 50% retrace of this dealing range. To me, that'd be a pretty clean, pretty clean move potentially to grab. Good luck on the longs, Paris. I won't be joining you. But I can see this move for sure. How many points is this? Yeah, you could probably catch like 100 points up to here. I just don't want to fade these hourly and 4-hour candles at this point. Once this like opening range took place, if we were gonna get a long bounce here, I think we would have gotten it here. Good luck, Paris. Good luck, Paris. I can root for you because your long here would actually get me to my short possibility idea. So I can root for you at least momentarily. So yeah, we'll see how this sets up, man. Post 10:30. So 30-minute retracement. Maybe prior to like the 11 a.m. macro here. 15-minute unfilled above this candle high. Could be good. Could be. We'll see. So we did just get like a 50% retrace of this 1 minute. I would just have to think it's risky to try to like short it at, you know, right here with this 15-minute here. I feel like that'd be risky, but you know, it could go if it's in a hurry to get to these lows. FOMC, well, it's just meeting minutes. Yeah, I'll be trading in the morning. Honestly, the FOMC meeting minutes is kind of just like a, I don't know. I really don't look at it as anything, to be honest. Like, it's good to know about it. I don't trade. By the time 2 p.m. rolls around in the afternoon, I'll be done anyway. So it's like kind of a non-factor for me, to be honest. But yeah, just not a lot of news this week, right? We had PMI yesterday morning, CPI next week. So FOMC meeting minutes tomorrow in the afternoon, unemployment. Like, we literally, there's nothing on the calendar. Nothing on the calendar, right? Well, yeah, I mean, I took a counter trend earlier as well. I took a counter trend after this 4-hour sweep here, but to no avail. And then tried the shorts and got stop break even. What a ding dong, man. That sucks. That is actually the worst. It's so depressing when that happens. Get stop break even and then it goes. Been out of my shorts for like 15 minutes now, just watching dump lower and lower. Only bad thing about being one winning day for is you don't get one of, yeah. That's all right, Z Trades. Hopefully this move's not done yet and we can catch a little something for it. But yeah, I guess we'll see. But yes, hopefully some of you guys were able to catch this without getting break-even tagged like me. If you got break-even tagged like me, well, hey, I guess we'll be sad together. But yeah, hopefully you guys were able to catch this move here, this leg right here, below the first sell side level at least. Only YM is valid for longs. Yeah, YM is retracing into a 4-hour gap, bullish gap. And looks like it's about 50% of the previous hourly leg. Where are we at actually on it? Yeah. It's actually like OT almost right now. So yeah, I would say the longs do look more valid on YM for sure. ES is also teasing this low at Asia low, 538. Damn, man. This shit is gonna maybe bust down Tatiana. It gave 50% of this 1 minute leg. Continuing here. That's kind of what I mean too, is like when these moves do decide to go, it doesn't even matter what the session is. It's just like we range for so long, and then when it does finally go, it's almost like getting a retracement is almost like impossible, it feels like. Lately, I don't know. We don't even get like these unfilled 15-minute gaps. They just keep expanding to either new highs or new lows. And then the gaps end up being a target later on. Done for the day, 2 losses. That's right, Paris. We still love you. We still love you, Paris. All right. Well, ES just finally now took out the Asia low. Can we get a retracement off that? Can the Asia low sweep of ES be enough to give us a retracement of that 15? And does a guy get real risky and try to take that counter trend trade long into a short? Probably not, right? Probably not, right? Or you entered pre-market to capture the move lower, price tagged you out, and then reversed to TP. Lumen? Oh, no. Lumen, was it the, did you get tagged out on this at open? We popped up into this 15-minute up here and strongly rejected it. But if you were in pre-market, yeah. Come on, give us something to work with here, NASDAQ. Give us something to work with here. I got FOMO. I want to press a button. I got tag break even, and then you ran without me. Let me get in something. Let me fucking press a button. Thanks, Squeebs. I believe in you as well, man. You blame SpaceX? Why? Is SpaceX dropping or what? You want some IHOP? IHOP? I forgot that restaurant even existed still. At what point of payouts can you start selling a course like everyone else? You just need one, Z-Trades. You just need one. Because then you have something to market. Didn't you know that's how that works? The risk reward here for longs is prime. That's fair. I'm not like totally opposed to it. That's obviously not my first choice to try to long against what's going on right now on the hourly and 4 hour. Not my first choice, but you know, I'm at a point where it's like I'm clearly waiting for a retracement to short anyway. So like, I don't know. Might not be the smartest, but might not be the dumbest. There's no reason to take it other than the fact that I would love to like be green on the day going into the possible short I could take. That would be so sick. But have AI make your screenshot? Nah, you at least gotta have some. You gotta at least have some truth to it, right? Yeah, I think I'd be a bad scammer. Now Paris saying y'all better not trade today? What? Paris, come on, man. Not everybody was trying to long against Drake's dick. In my defense, my long came before Drake entered the chat. After Drake entered the chat, it was shorts only. Fair enough, Z trades, exactly. Yeah, that's gotta be exhausting. Oh my gosh, boys. Oh no. She's going, man. She's going. Why can't you ever give us a retracement, NASDAQ? You slut. Why? Why? Still thinking about that break even? I'm trying not to think about it. But yeah, that sucks. It sucks, man, but it's like, man, I don't know. Like, obviously it was my decision to do that. You know. I'm also like not that mad about it because if price would have reversed very quickly off that hourly sweep and went to my stop, like, you know, I'd have been very grateful that I did that. So hindsight's always 20/20, but yeah. Yeah, that sucks. I don't know. That's all I can really say. Still in the original short. Yeah, did anybody just enter right off this 5-minute? I waited for it to reject the 5-minute and then I snagged my entry on like a 30-second close. But yeah, if you took this 5-minute up here, you could have went break even at the hourly low sweep and you would have been fine. You never would have got tagged out if your entry was anywhere in this 5-minute FVG. And yeah, you're printing. I'm jealous AF. Sheesh. Yeah, 230 points down to the 254 level. Coming on 300 potential plus points if it goes to previous weekly low from the week prior. Man. Retracement is coming, bro. Says heavies. I'm not so sure, but that'd be nice. I'm not so sure, but that would be nice. Maybe retracement's not going to come until after all these lows get ran out. And then we'll have to look for longs back to like these unfilled gaps. We'll have hourly unfilled. 15 obviously unfilled still, but another 15-minute gap here now. Jeez. Which is this high. Yeah, I don't know. Like this maybe would be worth it if we were to get a closure back above here in the short term. 15-minute just closed. This is the last 15-minute candle of the hour now. So, you know, if price was able to do something like this, could we look for longs up into here and then look for shorts? Or are we just going to, come on. Yeah, that's all you can do, Paris. Thinking short of the macro. I'm thinking that I don't want to short until after we run back to 50% of this range and then fill some of these unfilled 15-minute gaps. In which case, I definitely like the short at that point. So I may give this long a try in the macro, but I want to see a closure above this. Turn this into a breaker. Might not be ready. Macro in a minute. Well, let's see. We're not tagging anything. Well, the 5-minute OB. 5-minute OB is the only thing up here other than this 1 minute. Everything's in a pretty deep discount, though. Is this going to be... are we going to see the macro run and finish these lows off is the question. Or is macro going to give us the retrace? CASD in the 3-minute. If it breaks the low, you're going to eat a crow. Send a video if you do, Paris. Video in the Discord or it didn't happen. Oh my gosh. I hope it retraces just because, like, I just don't want to see all these lows get taken out and I didn't catch it at all. So I'm a little bit maybe just too hopeful that we get some sort of a long retracement here. But yeah, that's going to be so depressing if this just like runs all this out. It's just so clean. It's so clean. Mr. Clean. It'd be a sin for me not to catch it. Reason for the long? Just because I'm looking for a retracement. That's it. I'm looking for a retracement back into some level I can look for shorts. We got unfilled gaps, obviously, etc. So I'm not in the long right now. I was waiting for this closure above here. And may get it here. Or may not, man. I don't like that we keep rejecting this gap here in this 5-minute. 2-minute looks all right. 3-minute looks all right. Oops. May not get the limit fill here, but we'll put it on anyway. This is a 15-minute unfilled above this level. This would have been my break even, by the way. So if it tags this, I'm going to delete the limit. Not eating crow today? Oh, come on. Fill me. Fill me, please, with your sweet nectar. No. You fucker. It literally came back. Immediate rebalance on this wick. Come on. A little further down. Tag me. Fill me. There we go. Okay. All right, we're in. Now you can go up. Now you can go up, NASDAQ. Now you can go up. But yeah, for me, I just got my stop below the breaker. See if we can get some of these unfilled 15 minutes. Jose, the stream, my internet crashed. I literally had to whip open my hotspot just so I could manage my trade. Oh, come on right now. New hour in 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. You want to say something, but you're going to get another timeout? Then don't say it. Don't say it, Philip. I might. Thank you, Cece. I do stream Mondays. If I was a fruit, I could be a nectarine. I would be a nectarine. That's fair. Not like a pineapple? Oh my god, bro. You cannot be teasing this high like this. Nectarine? I'm going to say pineapple. Or water. Not watermelon. I am a dictator, nuts. I am a dictator. Listen, I don't think dictatorships are so bad. I think we'd be better off. If we had a good dictator, I think we'd be better off. Think about how much more it would unite the country as well if we had a dictator instead of like this two-party system. At least if we hated the dictator, we'd all be unified in that hatred. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, dude, I'm just going to go break even here, honestly. I'm not even going to... Nope. Nope, nope, nope. I'm out break even. I'm out break even. That's ridiculous, bro. Come the fuck on. New hour just opened, by the way. Yeah, well, if it flies up, dude. I don't know. This is crazy. Every time I enter a trade in any macro, it's like I'm just getting chopped the fuck up. Millennial aged, hasn't kissed the wall, white nationalist. Hasn't kissed the wall is the most important. Why are you longing after a wild bearish move? Guys, you need to listen. For the love of God, I need you guys to start listening. I think I said why at least 4 times. Why don't I look for the continuation move? Who said I wasn't looking for the continuation move? Wasn't on stream, my bad. You're damn right, Yan Ben. It's your bad. You're damn right. Don't let it happen again. Yeah, boys. Anyway, I'm all break even on the long there. Wanted the long into these unfilled 15-minute gaps so I can look for shorts. But yeah, I decided to go break even when we started rejecting off of being unable to hit this high here. But if it goes, it goes. I don't know. This is the counter trend idea anyway. The like count is going to ruin my day even more. 77. I mean, no giveaways. Listen, the giveaways don't benefit me at all. So if you guys don't want giveaways, that's up to you. I think it ruins your guys' day more. You don't get a giveaway account. Jan Bonham, you just got here, now you're leaving already? Come on. Stay around a little bit. Yes, at least do that. Didn't like the movement, took 10 bucks. Yeah. I just took the BE. You know, it's like, goodness. Every time I enter a trade in the macro, it's like somehow I still end up getting this shit action. And then like as soon as the macro ends, we just get the cleanest run. I think they might have patched the macro. I mean, just look at this, boys. Literally 10:53. The trade confirmed for me at 10:52, and it's now 11:06. This is what we're. Let me zoom in. God. Yeah. Yeah, Harmon, I've taken a shit ton of break evens. It's actually like, well, you guys saw my tweet yesterday. I was like, I'm starting to think anything over 1 hour is a scam at this point. Like, the number of trades that I've taken this, well, not this month, but like mainly in June, and I guess going into this month, I can't even count the number of trades where I've been like so deep in profit, and then it like stops just shy of my target, and then it comes and takes me out break even. It has actually been the most frustrating thing. Like, literally would be on a generational run if I was just taking 1 hours. If I was just taking 1 hour trades all the time, I'd be on like, June would have been a generational run at this point. So I don't know. Just got to deal with it, I guess. No one's gonna feel bad for us. Market don't give a fuck. Adapt or die, chat. Adapt or die. God. I just don't want to fuck, dude. It's so hard. Adapting to a 1R system, it's just literally goes against like all of my psychological programming that I've done as a trader. It goes against like everything. I have to break down the ego barrier probably of like lower risk rewards. But it like obviously makes sense as well because risk reward technically should and could change based on the conditions we're in. And obviously if we look at the weekly chart, we would all say, wow, very rangy conditions. So can you justify lower risk reward trades? You would say yes, right? So it's like, but it does. I'm such a slut for at least like 2R plus. I don't know how else to say it, chat. I'm a slut for higher risk rewards, slightly higher. Not like a lot. I'm not asking for like fucking 10-hour trades, but I'm a little bit of a slut about it. But it is very mentally taxing when you just take so many good trades that like we're deep in profit and you get a little break even on it. It is such a like once in a while here and there is not bad at all, but like when it happens a lot over a short period of time, it starts to get like really taxing. First day back trading after fourth weekend took off since Wednesday last week. Cortisol at all-time low. Crypto Surfer, good to see you, man. Were you here yesterday? I thought you were. Maybe not. Maybe I was imagining things. All the strategies that were widely known are known to the market makers. Is why price most. You want a lot of liquidity to satisfy you. Good. Well said, Lumen Charts. That is true. Asia has been hitting to New York. Well, that's the thing, dude. That's the other like frustrating part about this. I hate to be like a complainer, but it's just the reality of the situation currently is like these draws on liquidity that we're, using to target or that I'm using to target in New York session. It's like we'll get close to them, but all we end up doing is like just generating more liquidity for fucking Asia session. And then Asia session takes it. And it's like, gosh. It has been frustrating in that way. But I don't have a crystal ball, man. Can only take what the market gives, and regardless of what you want. That's true. Yeah, Asia was fire last night. Yeah. I'm like, I don't know. What am I gonna do? Sit on charts all day, every day, all night, every night? Like, good Lord. Part of me would almost rather just complain about New York AM session and move on with my life. Trade to live, not live to trade type shit. Was targeting 9:30 low after yesterday. Got taken at 9 p.m. Didn't get entry. Every time I trade Asia, I lose money. I'm not able to read the Asia session. Well, usually if I ever trade Asia, it's because like it's already moving a lot, right? And then it's like the draw is relatively clear where it's reaching for on like the hourly or 4 hour. And then I'm just literally just trying to capitalize on the volatility and catch a little piece of the pie. Like I never come into Asia session with like the expectation of like, oh, we're going to deliver to all these targets. You know what I mean? It's just when it happens, it happens. Because most of the time, in a normal market, I feel like we wouldn't. So you just end up catching chop usually. Crystal ball, you say you got one? I have a crystal ball, want to use it? That'd be sweet, dude. Thank you, Lone Wolf. I would love that. Yes. Just give us the crystal ball for like give us like a month. Give us a month with the ball. I'll pay for the ball. Give us the ball for a month. We're all gonna retire our bloodlines, and then we're good. And then we are good. Um. Oh, I'd love for us to get to this 15-minute high right here. If you guys did hold through here without either getting break even tagged or going to break even, you might get your TP here at 378. Oops. But yeah, I don't know. I wasn't willing to hold through this after we got to chopping back and forth in here. I just didn't want to hold it anymore. PM plan. My PM plan is basically a continuation of New York AM session. I think this hourly candle would justify that as well. This hourly and 4-hour structure. You know, I guess there's still a lot of time left on this 4-hour, so you have to wait 2 hours and 45 minutes to see how this ends up closing. But I would say, like, from the hourly perspective, I view this as like, let's retrace, maybe hit some of these unfilled gaps, rebalance, and then let's continue moving lower. This is my view. Bro. This premium discount dealing range I have marked out here was extended from this high originally to this low, but we didn't retrace to 50%, so we just keep extending it. So now 50% of this overall dealing range, we literally just like kissed this 50% level. Not even a wick. Not even a wick. The new 15-minute candle. Oh, it just opened up. Okay. Not even a wick. Not so much as a hair above this. Not so much as a hair above this level did it go. Hourly candle. Back at the open. Oh. 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 What does a guy do with this? 5-minute OB tag here. This 15-minute gap holding. 1 minute change in the state of delivery. Oh, no. Why does it gotta happen so fast? Why does it gotta happen so fast like that? I get it now, like when women complain, I guess. Why does it gotta happen so fast? You're just not ready. You know what I mean? You're not ready to enjoy it. You're not ready to capitalize. I get it now. I get it, ladies. This sucks. What the fuck? Just tapping OTE? Shut the fuck up. When you're talking to me. Too far? Or? I knew you could handle it, RR12. Good to see you, by the way. I'm sus as hell. Thanks. Discount doesn't scare Tyler into selling into it. Only because we already hit 50%. We hit 50%. We hit a 15-minute unfilled gap. We got a 1-minute change in the state of delivery out of it. Like, and we got sell side right fucking here. You know what? Fuck you guys. I'm not justifying myself. If you don't like the idea, don't fucking take it. I'm taking it. Fucking sitting here accusing me, acting like I'm on trial. I'm putting you guys on trial. I'm not on trial. You're on trial. Ain't about to do me like that. Jeez. If y'all don't want to get rich, just fucking say that. Ah! All right. 527 potentially on ES. Last Thursday's Asia low. Let me take a peek, Kevin. I see it, yes. Last Thursday's Asia low. Yeah, it does kind of just different hourly closures, right? So like ES hourly candle was unable to close below the Asia low from, was that Friday to Monday? The level at 7 or 538. Meanwhile, NQ was able to close below on the hourly here. Close below 330. Bro is gambling. Yup. Pretty much. Polymarket, guys. Get this. Some lady from Polymarket messaged me yesterday. And wants me to make like videos that they're gonna like run ads with. But it's gonna be for like betting around MLB games, she said. I was just like, that's interesting. Should I do it? She also asked what my rate is, and I'm just like, I don't know, I've never done this before. Well, I'm not filled yet. They pay good, allegedly. Yeah, I just emailed back and I was like, can you like give me some more information on what exactly this looks like? And yeah, I just asked her to make an offer. I'm like, what? Make videos that they can run ads on around MLB, like gambling? It just made me think of it because the guy in the chat said bro is gambling. So I was like, I just remembered that. Let's see what they say, though. I don't know. We'll see what they say. If the money's good, bro, I'm selling out. If the money's good, jeez, bro. There's no way. No fucking way. I'm just gonna fucking end it all. Oh, fuck. Guys. Bro. Oh. I can't believe I willingly like decided to like, yeah, let me fucking become a day trader. Yeah, let me do this. Let me do this every day. Buddy takes one look at candlesticks. He's like, yeah, I'm gonna do this every day. Every single day I'm gonna do this. Every day. Absolutely. Every single day I will do this. Don't put any Israel flags in your MLB ads. Well, that's the thing too. She was like, all you got to do is give us the raw footage, and they're gonna like handle all the editing and everything. And they said they'd give me a script. I'm like, pfft. Fuck it, we'll do it live. Like, give me the teleprompter. You know what I mean? I'll do it. So yeah, just know, boys. If dude, I'm just gonna. I can't. What am I even seeing right now? Like, this is the margin between profitability and not profitability. And it sucks when you're not on the right side of it. Please. I don't want to chase this. I refuse to chase. There's people watching me. I can't chase it. No matter how much I want to. Because then they'll say I'm gambling still. But anyway, yeah, boys, just know that if you start seeing like Polymarket ads with my face on it, just know that the money was good enough. Just know that. You really think we're going lower? Yes, I do. I really do. I think bare minimum, we're going to see ES take out this low before another retracement, in which case we'll maybe have bullish SMT at the low. So if you are in this, let's say maybe you took the entry off the 3-minute gap, you know, you can kick yourself for being a dick for a tick all you want when you don't get picked up on your limit order, but anyway, yeah, so ES takes this low out, great partial, great close. If you do get the full delivery on NQ here, maybe you're holding for like these lows here. You know, if you do get that, then you're going to just get better risk reward, but yeah, my plan is basically just hourly PO3. So this hourly low, previous hourly low is the target. Doesn't matter if ES hits it first or NQ hits it first. Come back up, please. Snag my entry and then die. Hourly open. Is it just gonna give the Powell opening price retest? Is that what's about to happen? You'll give me a rain bet deal? Dude, sign me up. What's funny is I think rain bet is actually like illegal in, I don't even think you can use it in my state. Wisconsin's kind of weird though. You like literally can't do anything. Like all those like sports betting apps are like banned other than like now like Kalshi, Polymarket, etc. You're longing it. I'm gonna try to short it. I'm in. So may the best man win. All right, I'm picked up. Let's see. Ho 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 ho. Fucking turtle soup that shit, please, for me, mommy. Yes, mommy, 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 mommy. I don't know, Simon. It just came to me. It just came to me. I was thinking of Jim. What's his? Jim Carrey. I don't forget the movie that is, but let's see if I can find it here on YouTube. Jim Carrey. Oops. Fuck. Jim Carrey. I need the whole clip. I'm trying to show you what I was channeling there. It'll make sense, I promise. Where's the fucking clip at? Liar, Liar is the name of the movie? No! Fuck, dude. Last time I looked at the price, it was going my way. What's going on here? Ouch. New 30-minute, by the way. Oh. Please. Oh, brother. Oh, stinky brother. Liar, liar. Liar, liar, elevator scene. Here we go. That's not the whole thing. Every time when I enter a trade, dude, we just get nothing but chop. Stop this shit. I'm going break even, dude. I'm unfucking believable, bro. One time, bro. Just one time. Give me the fucking clean run. I actually need it at this point, dude. I literally am fiending for it. I'm dying for it. Whose dick do I have to suck? Forgive my language, but my God. Every time I enter a trade chat in the last month, it's like I just get barcode. Anyway, let's see here. I think this is it. This is what I was channeling, chat. Well, let's watch this. Let's see if I can break even here. Or if we can push. There's Nika. There's Nika. All right, break even. Oh, I fucking hate it here. Anyway, enjoy, chat.
Hi.
Hi.
New in the building?
Yeah, I just moved in Monday.
Oh, you like it so far?
Mm-hmm. Everybody's been real nice.
Well, that's because you have big jugs. I mean, your boobs are huge. I mean, I want to squeeze them. Mama!
You guys ever seen that before? That's what I was channeling there on that turtle soup, what I thought was going to be a turtle soup short. Unfortunately, no milk for me. No milk for me. Oh, shit. Yeah, sorry to the moms in here. Well, no, I'm not sorry. But I'm glad you liked it. All right, man. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my goodness. Every time I enter a trade, boys, we just get, like, awful, awful barcode on the 1 minute. I'm not built for it. I'm not built for it. I'm not built for it. So, and it's just gonna go. All right. All right. Well, I don't know, man. I don't know. Multiple break evens today. Obviously, the one loss early, trying to long. And then once we broke through the range there, ended up just short bias pretty much. Tried the long here, went break even in this chop. It went to partial targets, and then it would have been a break even anyway. Went break even here. I just can't. I'm just not willing to sit in that. Anyway. Gosh. So we'll see. We'll see if you guys are still holding shorts. Good luck. Good luck. But I'm going to honestly go touch grass or do something else for a little bit. Go to the gym. I'm huge in the Jewish community. That's true. They love me there. Use the guy that says noise.
Nice.
Just for you, Crypto Surfer. Is this making money or losing money channel? JK, love you, Tyler. What the fuck? Tough luck trading. Nothing you can do about it. Keep your head up. Toasted Films, that's the thing. It's either making money or it's a magic show. We make money disappear. Technically, we're all kind of magicians as day traders because we all have we're all good at that trick. Making money disappear. Go touch some even breaks. I touched 3 of them today. The only one that's actually like truly frustrating though is the main break even, which was the short here. Because that would have been yum-malicious. But otherwise, yeah, break even, break even, break even. And obviously you can see like overall, like we're just sitting in this range. I don't know. Sell side below 182, 160. I still like them to be taken out just based on how this hourly, how strong we pushed on this hourly. So I don't know. I wouldn't personally be too gun-ho on like longs, but yeah, I don't know, man. Not my day, I guess. I don't know. It could be worse. Could be worse. I don't know. It's not like I took a shit ton of losses, but 200 likes. Oh, we're at 115. Yeah, we're not even close. It's all right. There will come a day when we're hitting 200 likes within the first 10 minutes and we're running just giveaways on giveaways, chat. The day will come. I believe in the chat. I believe in the chat. We'll get there. My trading desk looks like a desk. 3 monitors, a couple of little accessories, speakers, my coffee mug. So, all right, man. If you guys are in the shorts and still holding it, good luck, man. I definitely lean more bearish, obviously, still, but yeah, like I said, I'm just not willing to sit through price action like this, to be honest with you. Not willing to do it, so I won't. So I won't. All right, but hey, enjoy your guys' Tuesday. I'll let you guys know if I take anything else. Today, I will be looking for longs probably if we do run these lows out, and then obviously get some candle closures here. Hourly, maybe the 4-hour might be worthwhile taking a peek at around 2 o'clock when the new 4-hour opens. But like I said, I'll keep you guys updated. I think I'm still leaning for more downside for now overall. And then maybe longs after objectives are hit, all right? Keep an eye on ES too when it runs this low, if you are in the shorts there. But yeah, without further ado, man, I'll be back live here tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Try to get something before the FOMC meeting minutes in the afternoon, man. If you guys want to get funded, support the stream, code Tyler. Hit the like button on your way out. Enjoy your guys' Tuesday. And I will see you sexy folks back here tomorrow morning. Peace and love, chat.